Good morning, good morning, good morning. Detail world, how y'all doing? We out here today. It's a beautiful day. We about to do this Nissan right here. No, this ain't even a Nissan. There you go. It's an Infiniti QX60, an Infiniti QX60. Yeah, we just about to do a basic maintenance clean on it. You know what I mean? Everything. But it's a little gloomy today. No sun. It's supposed to rain next few days, but it is what it is. We're about to go ahead and do these first two cars here. Got to do this Infiniti, and then I got to do this Subaru CROSSTREK. But you already know Rennie in the inside. He started on the interior already. She got me having a dog hair, typical dog hair, typical debris. How you doing today, sir?
I'm doing good, man.
You got a word for the people today, man?
Hey, the word for the day is don't quit.
Don't quit.
Don't quit.
Definitely don't quit, man. You heard him. That's the phrase of the day. Don't quit. But yeah, we're gonna get it cracking in here. Like I said, it's the typical debris dog hair, seats, things like that, dirty doors. But Rennie already started. I'm about to go ahead and start on this exterior of the car. Then once we're done with this Infiniti QX60, we'll go ahead and do that Subaru CROSSTREK. And like I said, I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute, man. Like I said, I got everything ready. Bucket, foamer, pressure washer, everything ready, man. And we just go ahead and get it cracking. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, detail world. We just finished this Infiniti QX60. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance, nothing major, man. Like I say, with the spring coming, we're gonna start getting a little bit more in depth in these details and wax jobs. But right now, you know what I mean, you still got pollen dropping. You know, with all that, it's kind of hard to wax a car if nobody really has their garage available for you. So you just basically will be waxing with the pollen inside the wax too. So try to wait till all that pollen starts, because the pollen down here drops so heavy that it actually give your car a little green coat where it actually look like your car is glowing. But yeah, we just finished this car. Basic interior, basic exterior. We're finna go ahead and start on this Subaru Legacy, man. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, detail world, we finna start on this Subaru Legacy. It's a son car. Sorry about the focus of the car, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, we about to go ahead and start on the Subaru Legacy. We're about the typical debris like always. You see, you got dirt. You know, it's pretty cool piping in the leather like that orange. It's pretty cool, the black and orange. But yeah, it's your typical anything, typical wash the back. Gonna be a exterior basic cleaning, interior basic cleaning. Looking just with dirt, you know, like typical. But yeah, it's a Subaru Legacy. I mean, no, CROSSTREK. My bad. So it's Subaru CROSSTREK. Yeah, other than that, man, we're gonna go ahead and get it going. You know what I mean? Said we talking to my homeboy yesterday about some things, man, about just in general, about just how this detailing business is going, and just how to just level it up on just doing other things like PPFs and just paint corrections, things of that nature, man, instead of just constantly detailing and cleaning cars, you know, just getting a little bit more in depth. But it's also just finding those people that's willing to pay that money too. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, go ahead and start on this car. Like I said, I'm gonna do these wheels first. I always start on the wheels first, you know, and then once I'm done with the wheels, I always watch the exterior of the car. But catch y'all in a second. Peace. Alright, YouTube. We just finished this Subaru Legacy. Yeah, it looked a little dark because if you notice, there's no sun shining today, so it's a real gloomy day. So the video actually got that gloomy look. But other than that, man, we just finished the interior. Car came out pretty well. Like I say, it looks like he had a dog in here sometimes. Or I'm not sure if it's his mom dog or his girlfriend got a dog or something. I saw just a little bit of dog hair, but it definitely wasn't the dog hair that his mother dogs have, because you have two Labradoodles, and the hair here was like a little bit straight. But the car came out pretty well, man. It came out spectacular. I did not know Subaru made a smaller compact car like this. I always knew they had the Outback and the Legacy, but I guess there's something new to compete with all the other little hatchback crossover cars like this. But yeah, man, we finished here, man, and we finished both cars at an INFINITI QX60 first, and then this Subaru Legacy. About to head to the next stop. It's not too far from here, and I think we got one more stop today. She's a new customer. She says she won't be home, but the car will be there with the nanny. But we're finna go ahead and finish this, park it up and everything like that, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right, what's up, y'all? We out here to make to this, is this the second stop? This the second stop, Rick? Yeah, this is the second stop. Man, I feel like we've been out here all morning, but yeah, we at the second stop. We're about to do this, Range Rover Rogue, EVOQUE, something like that. I was supposed to do this car a couple of days ago, but I was kind of booked up, and then he kind of canceled because he forgot his wallet, but he just texted me and told me, remember he had his wallet, so, but he wasn't the original appointment for the day. I was actually supposed to go do a Chevy Tahoe, but she rescheduled because it's gonna rain tomorrow, so that's the joy about this detailing stuff. The schedule always changing and conflicting, even with me having kids or my customer having kids. Sometimes they have to reschedule me because a kid got sick or they forgot they had to take kid to a practice or just anything, man. So that's one of the biggest misconceptions in this world, that even with this, the scheduling is conflicting, you know. But we finna go ahead and do this car. He got a little stain on the other side. He want me to go ahead and shampoo and get up. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We gonna both jump on this inside so we can knock it out faster. We got one more appointment for the day, unless she don't cancel because of the rain. But other than that, if she don't, we're gonna go ahead and knock her out. But like I said, he got a little something he spilt right here. Excuse me, Rain. He spilled something right here. If you can see the stain, it's actually right here and right up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. But if you look at the car, it's just typical dirt. This car a little bit dirty because I never did it before. He actually a new customer. He actually got my information from one of the ladies who car you always see on the vlog, that Volvo XC90. She actually owns that company right there, the one with the OVME. That is a skin health company. She owns that. But yeah, I'm happy that she so far to have about 3-4 people inside her office use my services. So that's one thing that feels good, to know that you do great work, that people will send you out as a reference. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this car out. Me and Rennie gonna do the inside, and after that I'm gonna do the exterior of the car, and then we're gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. But like always, man, hit that subscribe button, hit them comments, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right. We just finished this Range Rover EVOQUE. Like I say, we had to kind of detail the interior. It was a little bit dirtier than what I expected, even though I rescheduled them because it was dirty. But like I said, once you get in here and start working, you see it's more dirtier than what it was. But like I said, we didn't completed the whole interior. Interior done. Looks great in here. Smells good. He's definitely going to be ecstatic about the car. Like I said, it's first time customer. If you remember, had a stain right here, but that's all gone. Seats nice and clean. Console nice and wiped down. Monitors, things of that nature. You know what I mean? But yeah, we finished here. We got one more appointment to go do. Hopefully she's still at home. Like I said, with this rain coming, a lot of people like to reschedule. Like I said, I don't blame anybody rescheduling, because who want to pay their money when you know it's gonna rain or whatever. But like I said, a lot more of my customers worry about the interior of their car because they got kids and things of that nature. But you know, but we just finished it. Like I said, we just finished this EVOQUE right here, and we're gonna go ahead and wait for him to come down, get his keys, check out the car, and I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. Just make sure y'all hit them subscribe buttons, make sure you hit them comments, them likes, them shares, and we're gonna get with y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, YouTube, we done made it to this third stop. This the last stop. Like I said, we didn't have a lot of work today. For one, all my customers, like literally all my customers on spring break, it's spring break, they don't stay in town. They definitely get out of here. They leave Nashville immediately. As soon as it say spring break, they get gone. You know, they got these summer houses, these beach houses, things of that nature. But yeah, me and Rennie out here working on this glorious day. It feel good out here. It's probably feel like it's about 60 degrees. The Sippo's got up to about 72, but I doubt it's gonna get up to 72 because of the cloud coverage. But you see my man, he already in there doing what he do best. What up, Rennie?
Word.
All right, now swerve. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. They want to get this, a new customer, never done their car before. She said she's been watching me for years. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the interior first and go ahead knock it out with Rennie, and then when we get on the outside, they want to wax the exterior of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna get to this interior first and get to this this exterior last, and then, you know, do what we gotta do. But let me just show you what it looked like in here previously. Got a little fine dog hair, things like that. If you look, you know what I mean, the seats and everything, they want me to leather condition the seats, which is it's not even an issue. I love the product that I use. I use VPR from Chemical Guys. I know it's probably better products out here that's got better leather condition. Also, you actually use another leather conditioner too. It actually comes from a company called DIDNT, but it's just like a basic blonde. Hold on, let me set my camera down for a minute so I can grab it. It's basically like a basic blonde right here. This is it right here. It's a leather blonde. So sometimes I use this, or I actually use this product right here. Which is called VPR, vinyl plastic rubber. It's really great for leather, you know what I mean, dry to touch. So sometimes I combine both of them and put them together. This is some wheel acid, you know, soap, all-purpose cleaner, things like that, towels. So water tank, it's a 225-gallon water tank. I know my setup not as fancy like a lot of detailers where they got the reels for your hoses and your cords and stuff like that, and that stuff pretty cheap. I just never really cared to have that stuff because it's like, I'm gonna get it done regardless, you know. Hose, no hose, water bucket, no water bucket. I'm gonna figure out a way to do it and get it done. But you know, I also want this back waste. I know he said some type of food waste right there, so definitely gonna make sure that I pay close attention to that. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and knock out this interior of the car, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. All right, YouTube, we just finished the interior of this car. We actually leather conditioned the inside. Shampooed the carpets. It smells amazing in here. Like, man, I don't even think new cars smell this good, but you know, look how shiny the seats is. It's dry to touch, so that's a good thing. But whole everything leather conditioned down. Seats completely done, whole 9 yards. So, and now we're about to go ahead and work on the exterior. You see the wheels are pretty dirty. Go ahead and do these wheels first, wash it, wax it, and then we're done for the day. Try to get home at a reasonable time and stuff like that. But like I said, it's the last appointment because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and finish knocking it out. But yeah, this is the other side. Console. But yeah, man, we're gonna catch y'all in a second. We're gonna go ahead and start on this exterior. Peace. All right, man. We just finished this Mercedes-Benz all the way in and out, like I showed you before. It's all leather conditioned and everything, whole 9 yards. But we just basically finished this whole exterior. Gave it a nice coat of that wood that. But other than that, man, the car came out pretty fine, man. It's a beautiful car. It's a Mercedes-Benz. I'm not sure, once again, not 100% what model it is. It's a GLE 350. But yeah, other than that, man, car came out fine. Doors, leather. We don't want no copyright infringements on that, but yeah, the car completely done, man. We done here. Like I said, today was a glorious day. Can't really make too many complaints. Did 2 new customers today. She was a new customer. That Range Rover EVOQUE was a new customer. So, and he said he was very happy with the car. He actually said the same thing. She said the car didn't look this good when she bought it. He said the same thing. Like I said earlier, I used to believe people used to say that just to say it, but the many times I heard it, I guess it gotta be true. But man, always, man, take pride in what I do, man. So, man, you take pride, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a share. And we definitely gonna get back with you tomorrow. Peace.